This is to show you how to install this round damper into a 24-inch by 24-inch diffuser and drop ceiling. First thing to do is to remove a ceiling tile adjacent to your supply air. That way there you gain access into the ceiling in order to remove the duct. Here I'm going to remove the duct tape so I can gain access to the diffuser and install the damper. Once you get access to the diffuser, you'll see a tab on the opposite side. That tab right here is going to be where you're going to slip your damper tabs into it, and you won't have to screw them. Here is your damper. This is the inside and this is the opposite side. What you want to do is install this side here, my left hand is, down. These tabs will go inside that vent tab, so you don't have to do anything. It's going to go in like this. This white thing is for the damper. You can adjust the damper. My suggestion is go ahead and open it about 3/4 of the way before you install it. Here you can see the tabs going inside of those slots. I have not pushed them down yet. I will push them down. My damper is open. This makes it easier to install. As you can see here, the tab is installed from the inside. My damper is open. Now I need to remove this plug. Once I remove this plug, I can insert my damper adjusting tool. My recommendation is leave your ceiling open so you can see this happening. Once that's complete, you pull your duct down, secure it, and retape it. Do not put the ceiling tile back in until you feel comfortable that it's adjusted. It's going to be hard to see, but if you look inside of your vents here, you can see the openings. Kind of get an idea where it's at. That's roughly about halfway open to make it easy to install. Here you can see the adjusting tool is inside. Again, it's hard to see the vent. You might have to take a light, shine the light up in there and see it. Again, leave your ceiling tile out until you feel comfortable with where you've set it. If you don't have a way of checking the CFMs, then that's the best way to do it.